Hey, I'm Bob Davis, Canada Explorer of Light. I want to share some of my wildlife tips and tricks with you. We've reviewed talking about long lenses on stabilization, such as a tripod. What if you're going to handhold, right? This is a great lens, the RF 100 to 500, and oftentimes I'll use it with a 1.4 extender, which makes it effectively a 700 millimeter lens. It has image stabilization. The body has image stabilization. We still want to be totally secure in our methods of capturing the photograph. So I'm going to use this Pro Media Gear strap and the Pro Media plate and the Pro Media Gear quick release. Let's talk about this for a second, the quick release. So this button is a quick release, right, in the bottom of the plate. So it just attaches and goes right in the center hole. Whatever quick release you use, always use a tether safety strap, because you can easily bump this button while you're walking and then your lens and camera will go crashing to the ground. If you have a safety tether, if that comes undone, boom, your camera and lens are not going to hit the ground. So now that we're stable, we can actually use this strap to help stabilize us. Think of yourself as a bipod. Plant your feet squarely in the ground. Take your hand, tuck your elbow right onto your hip, and now squeeze the shutter button. Don't mash it. Squeeze it as you're photographing. Then you could be extremely steady. I've used this lens and I've actually handheld it down to 1/4 of a second, because I'll hold my breath, I'll get down on one knee, I'll brace myself and squeeze. Then we could use the advantages of all the image stabilization. But remember, for something moving fast and in flight, and if we're moving, fast shutter speed, right? And same light, same exposure.